第38页阅读测验，脑洞大开，食物也可去污。
The incredible cleaning power of common foods. It can be hard work to keep a home clean. There are countless cleaning products available to help keep floors, counters, and windows sparkling. However, when cleaning products run out, we need to find a quick alternative. You might be surprised to know that some food products can serve as powerful cleaning agents in a pinch. If you're annoyed by dust or fingerprints on windows, mirrors, or other glass surfaces, used tea bags can help. Simply rub a damp tea bag on a glass surface and wipe it with newspaper. The tannins contained in tea leaves will dissolve dirt and turn glass crystal clear again. Tea bags can also be used to degrease dishes. Just soak greasy utensils in the sink with a few used tea bags and let them sit for hours. Then you can easily wash away the grease. Next, lemon juice is a great degreaser. It can be used to break down grime in the microwave or fridge and freshen up wood furniture. Mayonnaise is another food with the surprising ability to get wood furniture looking new again. If you ever find a water stain on a wooden table, try leaving a thin layer of mayonnaise on it overnight and wipe it off. The oil in mayonnaise helps displace the moisture in the wood that created the mark. Cleaning the kitchen isn't easy, but don't sweat it because vinegar works great as a disinfectant for countertops or bathroom tiles and helps reduce bacteria. What's more, a handful of salt and a moist sponge can clean up grease or crud caked up in the corners of stoves or grills. If you ever have trouble unblocking a drain or cleaning a dirty pan, try Coca-Cola. Its acidic properties can make the job a lot easier. Just pour the Coke in and let it sit for 15 or 20 minutes, and then witness the magic. Hopefully, some of these tips will come in handy next time your cleaning supplies run low.